Hello friends, a little video for Excel functions. I was doing the PDF to CSV file conversion. When I convert after converter, we sometimes find some information is scattered, and when we need to join two cells and some certain information, we need to get it from the other cells. For in this scenario, like we have a check number in one column, and other column we get the actual numbers, and we need to join these two, but in C columns we only want like first four digits. If you see the final lines is like this. So if we want to do from these two cells to join, and the final result will be like this, let's see how we can do it. So the function we call concatenate, so equal. So in com tab we can simply just add these cells, comma, and the C16 and enter. If you notice, if you do that, then in that case, and we actually joining, but it's not exactly like these because there is no space between these two cells. Also is getting all the characters. I only want first four characters. So in that case, what can we do? We can do first, we can give a space, which is two inverted commas, and make a space that will create a space. If you notice, all the space is came up fine. But how about these special characters, which we don't want? We want only first four characters. So in that case, we can do here. There is a function called left. We're using left because we want the first left four left characters. In other scenario, if we need fast or last right characters, then we can use right function. So we are using left functions, left first bracket, obviously in C16, but how many characters we want, we just put four characters and enter. That's it. So in that case, if you see, it's exactly identical like the right one. This is what we want, and I find it's quite easy, and it's memorable. But if you lack of practice, I also forget, so I just make this video so that it could be as a reference in future, then how we can use it. That's it mainly. Thank you.